And this is probably one of the most controversial Malitsas so far.
See you at lunch.
Malica Patrol is back on the hunt for the best Malitsa in the city. And today we're in Kopru at a place called Bistro Admiral. Inside, you'll find a bar counter shaped like a ship's mast. And that's basically the only memorable thing about the interior. What really threw me off was seeing one of the staff members scratching himself in every possible place. Then walking around both behind the bar and in the kitchen. I didn't see him touching any food, but he was definitely handling glasses and drinking beer. That completely put me off. I can't say with 100% certainty that he was an employee, but he had access to staff-only areas. For the fact that customers can witness something like this, the place gets a clear one for cleanliness and hygiene. As for the food, I ordered zrezek with prażen krompir for €9 and a simple Viennese-style Dunajski zrezek. But to be honest, my appetite was already gone.
I'm not hungry!
Taste-wise, the main dish was edible, but I personally missed some sauce on the plate. Food rating, 8. Overall rating for Bistro Admiral, 4.5.